So let's talk about the payroll protection program. First of all, at the beginning stages, when you're filling paperwork out, and I know it's already occurred, but they're talking about another round, and there'll always be things like this going on. You want to be very clear when you answer questions on a form. You're not filling out something for a contest, all right? The federal government or some agency is relying upon your answers to make decisions. And as a result, that reliance means that you have a specific burden to tell the truth. And telling the truth generally requires not just filling out the form correctly, it asks you for your name and put your legal name, but also not omitting material facts. So while you're filling it out, I recommend a professional. Usually it's a CPA on the PPP or a financial advisor. They need to help you with that. That's the first thing. I'd be very clear. But let's say you get in a situation where you've filled it out, maybe you've done something that you shouldn't have done, and you get a visit from agents, or you get a phone call, but generally it's going to be a visit at your house or your business. The forms itself that you've submitted, the banking transactions, they are what they are. We can't fight those. Either that's your signature or it's not. And generally it is your signature. I mean, I hope it's not, but it's almost always going to be, and you know if it is or it isn't. So then what are they there to talk about if it's all written out? The issue in those types of criminal cases is what was going on in your mind at the time you filled out the forms and submitted them. That's the issue. And the only evidence of what was going on inside your mind, unless you were keeping a diary contemporaneously with doing it, is your words. And that is why it's so important that you not talk at that time. You just tell them, listen, I would love to speak to you, but I want my attorney present. And that's it. That is what you have to do in those cases. Otherwise, the use of your words against you will then fill in the gaps that they need to successfully prosecute you.